Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you reset iPhone on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this on your settings. Then you go down here, just keep going down. So then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on transfer or reset iPhone here, and you click here on reset. Then automatically here it's going to reset with you here when you click on reset all settings or reset network settings, or can you select here, then it's going to reset with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.